519 new positive cases were reported in Goa on 25th September 2020. According to health bulletin issued by Directorate of Health Services on 25th September, 724 people recovered. 3 new deaths reported. Total confirmed cases in the states are 31,071. Total active cases in the state stands at 5,614. Total recovered cases stands at 25,071. Total 386 deaths are reported till 25th September 2020. Goa's recovery rate is 80.68%. Total samples tested till 25th September 2020 are 2,46,170. Breakup of total 5,614 active positive cases are as follows. North Goa, Community Health Center, CSC Bicholim 217, CSC Sakre 412, CSC Pernam 226, CSC Valpai 233, Urban Health Center, CSC Mapsa 278, CSC Panji 339, Primary Health Center, PSC Aldona 137, PSC Bedki 128, PSC Kandolim 140, PSC Kansarvarnam 79, PSC Korwae 39, PSC Kolem 219, PSC Chimbal 227, PSC Shuolim 213, PSC Pororim 401, PSC Mayam 51, Travelers by Road Flight Train 2. South Goa, Community Health Center, CSC Kurchorim 101, CSC Kankona 109, Urban Health Center, USC Margao 433, USC Vasco 319, Primary Health Center, PSC Bali 54, PSC Kansavlim 149, PSC Chinchenim 58, PSC Kortalim 272, PSC Kurtorim 32, PSC Lutolim 101, PSC Marsaim 80, PSC Kapam 86, PSC Sangam 90, PSC Shirada 27, PSC Tarbandora 123, PSC Ponda 176, PSC Navelim 63. Bed capacity in COVID Care Center as on 25th September are as follows. District North, total capacity 545, current vacancy 221. District South, total capacity 1006, current vacancy 511. Subscribe to Goa First News and Entertainment channel and click on the bell icon and never miss any update.